मैकाले नाम के एक अंग्रेज ने भारत को अपनी जड़ों से उखाड़ने के बीज बोए थे। अब हमने नौसेना के ध्वज से गुलामी के हर प्रतीक को हटाया है।
Modi takes on Macaulay mindset. PMO to be renamed Seva Tirth. Decolonizing India's institutions. Lok Bhavan replaces Raj Bhavan.
अगर हम ठान ले अगले 10 साल में मानसिक गुलामी से पूरी तरह मुक्ति पा लेंगे।
Opposition mocks rename Sarkar, not calm Sarkar.
नाम बदलने से कुछ नहीं होता। आखिर सेवा तीर्थ नाम रखा गया, सेवाएं क्या हुई? सवाल ये है।
Cultural reset breaks colonial chains. Renaming India, token or transformation? That is a big focus on India First.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's new office will be known as Seva Tirth, or the sacred place of service. This is part of the ideological transformation in governance in the 11th year of the Narendra Modi government. Public service institutions are undergoing what is being described as a quiet yet profound shift from satta to seva, or as the government puts it, from authority to service with responsibility. This change is being seen not just in the administrative setup, but also in the culture and the moral that the government wants to send across. It's in the morality of governance. We get you more in this report, including the opposition mocking the renamed Sarkar.
मैकाले नाम के एक अंग्रेज ने भारत को अपनी जड़ों से उखाड़ने के बीज बोए थे। मैकाले ने भारत में मानसिक गुलामी की नींव रखी।
After Prime Minister Modi's call to shed the Macaulay mindset, the NDA government is moving fast to reflect that shift. From Raj Bhavans to the nation's most powerful officers, names are changing. The new PMO complex will be named Seva Tirth. Raj Bhavans across states are now Lok Bhavans. Rajpath was earlier redesigned and retitled Kartavya Path. The Prime Minister's current residence address had been changed to Lok Kalyan Marg in 2016. The Central Secretariat is now Kartavya Bhavan. The Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog. And a series of colonial-era names and symbols, including road signs. And the Navy's ensign have been updated. In last 11 years, more than 1,500 colonial-era laws have been repealed.
मैकाले नाम के एक अंग्रेज ने भारत को अपनी जड़ों से उखाड़ने के बीज बोए थे। मैकाले ने भारत में मानसिक गुलामी की नींव रखी थी। मैकाले ने जो कुछ सोचा था, उसका प्रभाव कहीं व्यापक हुआ। हमें आजादी मिली, लेकिन हीन भावना से मुक्ति नहीं मिली। हमारे यहां एक विकार आ गया कि विदेश की हर चीज, हर व्यवस्था अच्छी है और जो हमारी अपनी चीजें हैं उनमें खोट ही खोट है।
With the PMO now set to shift to Seva Tirth, officials describe the move as more than a relocation but a symbolic reset and a break from the older administrative framework.
अगर हम ठान ले अगले 10 साल में मानसिक गुलामी से पूरी तरह मुक्ति पा लेंगे और तब जाकर के ऐसी ज्वाला प्रज्वलित होगी, ऐसा आत्मविश्वास बढ़ेगा कि 2047 तक विकसित भारत का सपना पूरा होने से भारत को कोई रोक नहीं पाएगा।
Opposition alleges changing name not important but doing a real work is key.
मोदी सरकार का जब इतिहास पढ़ा जाएगा तो जो गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देंगे। सबसे ज्यादा नाम बदलने का शौक किसी को रहा है, रिकॉर्ड किसी ने बनाया है तो मोदी सरकार ने। और ये छोड़िए, जो सरकारें गई हैं उनकी योजनाएं रखी वही, नाम बदल दिया है।
आखिर सेवा तीर्थ नाम रखा गया, सेवाएं क्या हुई? सवाल ये है। तो वो लोक भवन में हो क्या रहा है, ये जरा पता करिए। भ्रष्टाचार के केंद्र बन गए हैं।
The message from the Prime Minister has been clear. A move away from colonial era legacies and towards a new governance identity. With Aishwarya Paliwal, Bureau Report, India Today.
You saw that Sengol being put in Lok Sabha, then from Racecourse Road to Lok Kalyan Marg, from Rajpath to Kartavya Path, from the Prime Minister's office to Seva Tirth. Is this just about changing the name, or is there a cultural transformation that is being attempted here, and is that cultural transformation taking place? The battle lines are very clearly drawn, with the Congress insisting this is just rename Sarkar. They're just changing names. Governance model remains the same. Joining me on India First is Charu Pragya, representing the Bharatiya Janata Party. Arshdeep Kadiyal represents the Congress. Professor Makhanlal is a historian. Neerja Chaudhary is a senior journalist and political commentator. I want to begin by asking you, Charu Pragya, explain this concept. Why will the Prime Minister's office be known as Seva Tirth?
Good evening, Gaurav. This is a conscious civilizational correction. We are going from the mindset a monarchy had regarding its subjects to what a government is supposed to have regarding its subjects. It's about citizens now. It's about duty now. There's nobody walking down a Rajpath anymore. There's no one lording over the citizens of our country anymore. Everyone who's elected, selected by the people of this country are here to serve, and that is why the Kartavya Path. And I think these names are powerful shifts in mindsets. This is not just a change in name. This is a shift in mindset. And I think Modi government has upheld this since the first day when Lok Kalyan Marg.
No, but are we to believe that this didn't
Yeah.
happen on the 26th of January 1950? Every government that came subsequently elected by the people, chosen by the people to govern, whether it was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or Indira Gandhi or Lal Bahadur Shastri or Indira Gandhi again, and a number of other leaders who came in, including Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and now Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
You know, I'm going to say this with a lot of responsibility. This is an ideological transition, and India needed that. Otherwise, tell me, why did the canopy at India Gate remain empty after King George V's statue was removed? It was Modi government which decided to install a statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It was Modi government that decided to reclaim our civilizational heritage and history and talk about this idea of duty. Tell me one prime minister before Prime Minister Modi who said on entering parliament that he's become a Pradhan Sevak. He did not talk in a way where he was seeming to be lording over the citizens of our country. He's here to serve. His government is here to serve. And this transition, this mindset is very visible in the way our government approaches all administrative projects. And I think the citizens of this country also stand by it. Why else would Modi government be elected back in power for a historical third term? We seem to be doing that again and again because this is not
the
just
government
a name.
says it's a deeper ideological transition that is taking place. Perhaps their belief is from the Mai-Bap Sarkars of the past to the culture of Seva and Kartavya, service and duty as the ethos of governance.
Thank you for the question. The Bharatiya Janata Party is a name changer government, not a game changer government. The Bharatiya Janata Party has basically failed to deliver all the promises that they had made back in the day. So in order to divert attention they come up with this, and you can very well see we are debating on this issue instead of debating on education, employment, healthcare, corruption, etc.
We also debate all of that, Arshdeep Kadyal.
Definitely,
We
Gaurav.
debate
Gaurav,
all of that. It's
definitely,
not as if we
Gaurav.
do not debate other issues.
Gaurav, you definitely do, and you do a lot. But we are talking about the government and their intentions, which is to divert attentions from their failures, from their blunders, and bring it to this. And my request to the Bharatiya Janata Party's government is your never-ending obsession with changing names has set a record for you of all sorts, and the objective is very clear. You see, 30 schemes that the Bharatiya Janata Party has renamed were implemented during the Congress regime. I'll tell you, I'll give you an example of it. Whether it be Make in India, whether it be Make in India, which used to be National Manufacturing Policy, Swachh Bharat, which used to be Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan, Beti Bachao, which used to be National Girl Child Day Program, PM Ujjwala Yojana, which used to be free LPG connection to BPL families, Digital India, which used to be National E-Governance Plan. They have also changed IPC, which has now become BNS. They have changed CRPC, which has now become BNSS. They have changed Evidence Act, which has now become BSA. Executive Enclave, Seva Tirth, and the BJP spokesperson said that we are trying to do away with monopoly. Are you trying to suggest that for the last 11 years, your regime was reeking of monopoly because the name was not Seva Tirth and it was Executive Enclave? Is this the kind of politics and governance that the Bharatiya
Can I
Janata Party
respond,
wants to
please,
impart?
Gaurav?
My request
Okay, yes,
is,
quickly
Raj
before I
Niwas,
bring in
one second,
Neerja Chaudhary.
I did not interrupt you. I expect the same courtesy from the BJP spokesperson. Raj Niwas is now being turned into Lok Bhavan, Rajpath into Kartavya Path, Central Administrative Complex into Kartavya Path,
Yes.
and many others. My question
we've
is,
been over that.
What
Can
we,
I-
one
can I come
second,
in
one
now?
second, do not interrupt me. What do we achieve? We waste our resources.
I will tell
we
you.
waste our money. We waste our time. This time,
Okay.
money, energy, resources should be utilized
Fair enough.
elsewhere.
Quickly respond,
It should
Charu
be
Pragya,
utilized
before I bring in
elsewhere. Don't
Neerja
waste
Chaudhary
it.
and Professor
We already
Makhan
have
Lal.
so many liabilities because of you.
Okay, so Gaurav,
So
you
optics
know,
game should be
the
done away with.
now may I speak? Gaurav, the party which used to be in power previously, the Congress, it named over 450 institution, roads and buildings in the government after the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty. They gave things names only to please political bosses. Today, we are giving names to correct history. We are trying to move away with this mindset of Raj. They, like you just heard, Ashpreet, they talk about Raj, Rajpath, Raj Bhavan, Raj this, Raj that, and that is exactly the mindset that we are trying to erase.
Do it
This is
through
not Raj.
actions.
This is Kartavya.
Okay.
This is
Why not show
Seva.
it through
And
actions?
Kartavya and Seva, Ashpreet, follow your own advice and do not interrupt me. The concept of Kartavya and
But
Seva
why no
has to
action?
trickle down from the tallest leaders down to the last person serving in governance, and it makes a difference, Gaurav. This mindset makes a lot of difference.
Fair
No
enough.
one is
Let me
here
now
to
bring in
lord over
Neerja
anyone.
Chaudhary into this conversation, because Neerja Chaudhary, you've covered governments of the left, right and center, and over decades, you see this as an ideological transition. Is just changing names, or is there a deeper change that is happening with Narendra Modi in his 11th year as Prime Minister? The concept of Seva Tirth, is it changing from Satta to Seva, or is it just another name?
Look, the goal is desirable, certainly Satta to Seva. And as far as, you know, what you say, the PMO will be Seva Tirth, the Central Secretariat Kartavya Bhavan. So the shift to Seva and Kartavya, Raj to Lok as concepts, desirable. And I have no problem with the names being changed. The thing is that it is not enough. My problem is that it is not enough. You've got to go beyond that. And how do you go beyond that? The idea of the Prime Minister's office being, which is the most powerful of a Prime Minister who's popular and strong, and it's where decision making is done today. Most of the decision making is done there today. Therefore, being associated with Seva, very good. Central Secretariat with Kartavya, very good, because that's the way it should be. But how do you get rid of the slavish mentality that the Prime Minister has talked about when he refers to Macaulay and his minute on education in the 19th century? That is the real challenge. And there, Gaurav, I would say, questioning minds of Indians. That's where I will go to the extent of saying encouraging dissent What does dissent mean? Dissent is not only that you criticize the government of the day, important though it is to make it accountable. Dissent means that you unleash creativity. You don't accept the way things have been necessarily. You question, and question. You think out of the box. Therefore, the creativity of the Indians will be unleashed. And I think that kind of a mindset is what we need to go for. And I think I am for the Prime Minister setting those goals for our institutions. But we have to go beyond that, how to incentivize Indians, how to create a confident nation that we need to become. And we will
That's a good point to make. Become this confident nation that will challenge the status quo and think out of the box. Professor Makhanlal, is this what the Prime Minister meant when he said we need to fight that Macaulay mindset, that slavish mindset? The British were rulers. The bureaucrats are being told that you may call yourself public servants, but you need to have that seva bhav in the governance. You cannot be the brown sahibs that we see many bureaucrats who turn out to be these brown sahibs. So is that what the Prime Minister's intention is?
Let me congratulate Nirja ji. She has right nail and right hammer in her hands, just that she needs to get a few more heads to nail on it. Because she's very correct about mentality, about other things, but those who are saying name-changing problem, I would like as a historian to remind something. When Governor General vacated and Rajendra Prasad moved in, why did he not move into Rai House? Why did he move in Rashtrapati Bhavan? When Jawaharlal Nehru moved in Commander-in-Chief House, why was it named Teen Murti House? Why the Council House was named Parliament House? Why? What was the need? Buildings remain the same. Why the Rajpath, Kingsway, was made into Rajpath? Why Queensway was made into Janpath?
Yes.
Why was Yark Road made into Motilal Nehru Marg? Why was Karjan Road made into Kasturba Gandhi Marg? Why was Wellesley Road was made into Zakir Hussain Marg? Why was King George Avenue made into Rajaji Marg? Why was Prince Edward Place, just a minute, Prince Edward Place made into Vijay Chowk? Vijay Chowk of what? Vijay on whom? Then King Edward Road, Maulana Azad Road. Queen Victoria Road, Rajendra Prasad Road. All those who did this, first they should explain why did they do it. Before casting a stone on somebody else. Question is, look at yourself first, give explanation to the nation, and then ask questioning. And Nirja ji has replied very well. Yes, name has a meaning. What's in a name is not only a Shakespearean proverb. It carries a lot of meaning. And all those who are interested, here is book.
No, that's a very interesting point to make, sir. So while this was done in 1947, the British names were changed to Indian names, Charu Pragya. Why are we further Indianizing those names? What didn't happen between Rajpath becoming Kartavya Path or Lok Kalyan Marg or Lok Bhavan? The body remains the same, many argue. Names keep changing. What else is changing, Charu Pragya?
See, the mindset that we have to now choose responsibility over the concept of power is what is percolating down, Gaurav, and we have to keep our eyes on this. The fact is that for the longest time, India had a government which was ruled by one dynasty. That's why I gave you the example of over 450 government buildings, offices, and schemes being named after the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty. Why did that happen? Because there were political bosses, maybe not a monarchy, but in a way that monarchy was replaced by this Gandhi family. And I think that is what the Congress is still focusing on. They're still not able to move beyond a few surnames that they pay homage to. Today, we want to focus on people. I think that is the difference between then and now. We want to focus on people. We want to talk about seva. We want to talk about duty.
Arshdeep Kadial, do you want to quickly respond that, the British may have changed, the BJP says then the Gandhi family took over and everything was named after Nehru's and Gandhi's. A lot of that is changing. Do you also see this, as the Prime Minister puts it, fighting a Macaulay mindset? The Brown Sahibs may have replaced the ICS, but that Kartavya Bhavna needs to come in.
See, Gaurav, I did not interrupt the BJP spokesperson. I humbly request that she doesn't do the same and have the courtesy to not do it. Number one, the Bharatiya Janata Party says that we want to do seva and we want to do our kartavya. That's why we are changing all these names. All right. If the Bharatiya Janata Party believes by changing the names and making it seva and kartavya and lok, they'll actually be doing it in their actions. I believe.
Yes, we are doing it.
Please do not interrupt me. I did not interrupt you. Gaurav, she keeps on interrupting me.
No.
I request that her
Go
fader
on,
goes
sir.
down.
Ashpreet, you forget
So
that you've had
at least have the
99
courtesy-
losses in a
only
row.
have the
Mr. Kadyal.
courtesy to keep quiet and hear the opposition. So my request is, Gaurav, that the Bharatiya Janata Party should know actions speak louder than words. Just by adding names, seva and kartavya does not mean that your actions have also turned into that. If it were, Mr. Modi would have done at least one press conference in the last 11 years.
It comes
He
down to
hasn't
that.
been
Can
doing
I-
his kartavya. Mr.
This is
Modi and the
laughable.
BJP government is not doing its kartavya. They are not having debates.
Okay.
They're not having discussions.
Got
We're
10
having the
seconds,
shortest
please.
possible session of the parliament in its history, in the history of
Okay.
India. It's
Calm
a
down.
temple
Can
of
I
democracy.
respond, Gaurav?
And you have cut
Can I
short the
respond?
session
The moment
by
he completes.
51
Yes.
seconds. By 5 days, you have cut short the session. At least you should have had a 20-day session. We have 13 bills to pass. You did not even send it to the standing committee for examination and analysis. So our concern
Okay.
with the Bharatiya Janata Party is don't just say it, actually do it. You are big
Okay,
on words.
Charu Pragya
and
wants to
you are
quickly
low on
respond
action.
before I bring in
That
Professor
is what we're
Makhanlal.
all about.
Charu
Double
Pragya.
Yes,
standards.
extremely
Double
important.
speak and double
So-
standards is what the BJP is all
Okay,
about.
Charu Pragya.
So, this high moral ground that Congress wants to take for everything, I find it laughable because you've
Why
not
no
just
press
lost
conference?
national elections
Why
twice in
zero
a
press
row.
conference?
Again, please take your own advice, Harshpreet. Let me finish speaking and I'm going to start again, Gaurav. So this high moral ground is laughable because this is a political party which is losing ground in India every passing day. They can't even be calling themselves a national party anymore. Every single election, they win with such convincing margins. I mean, they lose with such convincing margins. 99 losses in a row. Look at Bihar. Look at the way they performed in Delhi elections last. Look at their performance in Haryana and Maharashtra. You pick any state in this country, 3 national elections lost in a row. And what are the things that they're talking about? And if you're talking about productivity and number of days in parliament, last winter session, 52% productivity was lost because of your walkouts and protests and demonstrations. 52% of the time lost. So you want to keep extending the parliament session? Yes, make it 200 days. But out of that also, you're going to be wasting 150. That's your mindset. That mindset is what we need to get rid of.
If we stay on the current issue for the moment, Professor Makhanlal, so when Planning Commission is renamed Niti Aayog or Aurangzeb Road is renamed APJ Abdul Kalam Marg or Mughal Sarai is renamed Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction or Allahabad as Prayagraj, what purpose does it serve in the long run? You see this as an ideological shift that the BJP is moving towards?
Names do matter. It's not question of ideology alone. It's question of mentality and mental makeup also. When Motilal Nehru got a son, he did not name it Gudadi Lal. He named Jawaharlal. Jawahar. When Jawaharlal Nehru got a daughter, Priyadarshini Indira, names do matter. They carry a lot of weight. When Rahul was born to Gautam Buddha, Gautam Buddha consciously gave the name Rahul, and Gautam Buddha himself explained in later life why did he give the name Rahul. Names do matter because in Rajpath is only for Rajas. When you put it Kartavya Path, it's for everybody. Names matter, and let me tell you, Luti and Delhi's 2 people, 2 main architects were there, and they wanted the slope on the Raisina Hills. One wanted steeper, one wanted slope. And on this 6 inches different, they stopped speaking to each other all their life because one wanted it slow gradient so that common people could climb up. Other wanted a very steep gradient so that majesty of Rawasharai Lag is there. And they stopped speaking.
So-
That's the kind of thing is there. Names
So let
have
me
lot
also
of
bring in
meaning.
Neerja Chaudhary on this Mughal garden in Rashtrapati Bhavan renamed Amrit Udyan, or Allahabad goes back to its original name Prayagraj, Faizabad to Ayodhya. You see this as political? You see this as civilizational. Maithili Thakur, the young MLA from Alinagar, says, now I want to change the name back to Sita Nagar. So what's the signal for you here, ma'am?
I think it's both civilizational because of the BJP and the RSS have in mind a 1,000-year civilizational project, which they would like to unfold. And it is political because this government would like to leave its stamp, its own distinct stamp on everything. So it is political to that extent. I would say, Gaurav, it is not undesirable. सेवा के बारे में आप क्या बोल सकते हो? You are not going to oppose seva. If the Prime Minister is asking his Prime Minister's office, where hundreds of people work and formulate policy, to be full of seva bhav, how can you or I take exception to that? We want that to happen. But the question is, how is it going to happen? Now, I would like, because the parliament session is going on, I wish both the ruling party and the opposition members would spend 2, 3, 4 hours and spell out for the country how can the PMO, how can the Central Secretariat, how can others have more of the seva bhav than we do. Obviously, the Prime Minister feels the need for more rather than less. I would also wish that this would translate into them talking to each other, for dialogue to be possible between the two sides in our parliament.
What a noble thought. Absolutely.
आप name कर दो. But that spirit अगर नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे? How will you solve the problems? This is something that agitates a lot of people today. When you see the vicious hatred, virtually, I would say, that one side has for the other. How do we overcome
And we indeed hope that, everyone would put Bharat, India first, because that's our effort through this through this show. And when everyone puts one ahuti in that yagya for nation building, and we'll be tracking that story very, very closely. I'd love to go on longer on this, but I have breaking news that's coming in from across the border. I want to thank all my guests on this part of India First.